Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the Model Question Paper 2, which is from Government of Karnataka. Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, Model Question 2024-25. 4. Class 12 or PUC, to Physics. This includes model questions of paper, Part B, 2 marks questions. 7th one, a simple but a tricky questions asks in exams. So, watch till end, and just do one like, share and subscribe. If you want a PDF copy, just visit description box for PDF link and comment your review. Let's start one by one. Part B. Answer any 5 of the following questions. 5 times 2 equals 10. 1. The charges are additive in nature. Explain. Answer. The additive nature of electric charges means that the total charge of a system is the algebraic sum of individual charges within that system. This property is based on the principle of superposition, which states that charges can be added together to find the net charge. For example, if a system has charges of plus 2 column, minus 3 column, and plus 1 column, the total charge of the system is plus 2, plus, minus 3, plus 1 is equal to 0 column. 2. What is an equipotential surface? What will be the shape of equipotential surfaces corresponding to a single point charge? Answer. Equipotential surface is the surface, the locus of all points at the same potential, is known as the equipotential surface. Or, any surface with the same electric potential at every point is termed as an equipotential surface. The shape of equipotential surfaces corresponding to a single point charge is spherical. This is because the electric potential due to a point charge is the same at any point equidistant from the charge. Note: no work is required to move a charge along an equipotential surface. 3. Give any 2 differences between current and current density. Answer. Current, I. 1. Current is the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor or circuit. 2. It is measured in amperes, A. 3. The formula I is equal to Q by T. 4. Scalar quantity, only magnitude. Current density, J. 1. Current density, J, is the amount of electric current flowing per unit area of a cross-section of a conductor. 2. It is measured in amperes per square meter. 3. The formula J is equal to I by A. 4. Vector quantity, magnitude and direction. 4. A moving coil galvanometer gives a deflection of 10 divisions when 200 A of current is passed through it. Find the current sensitivity of the galvanometer. Answer. Given theta is equal to 10 divisions and current, I, is equal to 200 microampere. Therefore, current sensitivity is equal to theta by I, where theta is equal to deflection, I is equal to current. Therefore, substitute values in above formula, we get current sensitivity is equal to 10 divisions by 200 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. On cancelling zeros, that is equal to 1 divisions by 20 microampere. On simplification, we get 0.05 divisions per microampere. Therefore, the current sensitivity of the galvanometer is 0.05 divisions per microampere. 5. State Faraday's law and Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction. Answer. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The magnitude of induced EMF in a circuit is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the circuit. E is equal to minus d phi by dt. Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction. The polarity of EMF induced is such that it tends to produce a current which opposes the change in magnetic flux that produced it. 6. Name the electromagnetic waves used for the following applications. A. The radar systems used in aircraft navigation. B. The remote switches of household electronic systems such as TV. Answer. A. The radar systems used in aircraft navigation is microwaves. B. The remote switches of household electronic systems such as TV is infrared, IR, radiation. 7. How is total energy of an electron revolving in an orbit of hydrogen atom related to the principal quantum number of the orbit? What is the significance of the negative sign in the expression for total energy of electron in a hydrogen atom? Answer. The total energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom is given by En is equal to minus 13.6 by n square, electron volt, where En is the energy of the electron in the nth orbit. N is the principal quantum number. The negative sign indicates that the electron is bound to the nucleus, and energy must be added to the system to free the electron. The more negative the energy, the more stable the electron is within the atom. 8. What are intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors? Answer. 1. Intrinsic semiconductors. A semiconductor is free from impurities or pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic semiconductors. Example, silicon, germanium, etc. 2. Extrinsic semiconductors and impure semiconductors are called extrinsic semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors are formed due to placing impurity atom into the pure semiconductor. Example, SiP, silicon, Si, doped with phosphorus, P. SiAs, silicon, Si, doped with arsenic, As. Germanium, Ge, doped with indium, In, etc. This ends 2 marks questions with answer of Model Question Paper 2. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more.